In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a GIF to your Steam desktop profile picture. Before we jump in, there's one important detail to clear up. On Steam, you can't directly upload just any animated GIF file and use it as your main profile picture. If you want that moving profile image effect, Steam handles it through animated avatars from the Steam Points shop. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and how to apply it to your profile using the desktop app. Start by opening the Steam desktop application and signing into your account if needed. It's a good idea to use the desktop app for this, since profile customization settings are easiest to access and manage there. Once you're signed in, go to the top menu and click your profile name. From the drop-down menu, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, which is where you can control how your account appears to other people on Steam. From there, click the Edit Profile button. That will open the profile customization area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of settings related to your profile. In that left menu, click Avatar. This is the section Steam uses for changing your profile image and managing avatar options. Next, choose your avatars. If you already own an animated avatar, you can select it from your collection here. If you don't see one you want to use, click Go to Points Shop. In the Points Shop, you can browse available animated avatars and purchase one using Steam Points. Just keep in mind that only avatars offered through Steam can be used for this animated profile picture feature. After you've chosen the animated avatar you want, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the page. That's the step that applies the change to your profile. Once it's saved, your profile picture should update to the animated avatar you selected. If it doesn't appear immediately, give Steam a few moments